Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria Richards, otherwise Victoria Vulture. I remember the other day I used to start, hey, when you're getting older, start my channel, here in my eye and mosquito button now. Start my channel singing and have a mint in my mouth, so. Family, you're the good story. Up to now, I don't know what the ass that mean, eh? Those are so all my foundation subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me and for watching the swear see a horse whip snake buying pregnant and getting no lips. Ha! Thanks for joining me. I'll get back to you. I'll just start it and I'll explain to you a little later. You all know school is on holiday, right? I jump in the gun. It's Christmas for me. It's Christmas for teachers. Dividends out. So I am going to Grandy for my Sandy Grandy for my dividends. I tell you, I'm talking funny because I have a mint in my mouth. Yay! But not really yay. At least I will get the check, but I have to put it in the bank. And you know you have to wait your 5 working days and whatever. So yay! So as you know, it's holidays. And during school time, mostly every morning I come inside in time, the garbage truck outside, I duck everybody, but you know, I an introvert and I shy. At least I thought that was the garbage truck. Might catch me ass going back out. Anyway, I used to buy my breakfast almost every morning by a beautiful woman named Miss Maureen, right? And I promised her some susumba, something called susumba for joints, because you know me, I don't know about them thing with my joints. And a young plant, so I want to carry it this morning for us. So I'm going to try and balance here. I have timing, timing to go Gandhi, but watch me. I'm going to balance the bowl, the pot, the bag, the young plant, everything, and put it in the car. And well, you will see my drama. There's the young susumba plant, great for joints. It's really good for manhood, eh? But if it's so good for manhood, I was suffering with arthritis real bad, and I use it, and I wouldn't tell you how this is healing, but I'll show you the full grown plant just going to the adult plant now that the birds just fight me for, because animals know the goodness of plants. This is the adult susumba. This is the what you want to say, the fruit or the product, the healing, the most healing part. Men use it to make punch, but I just put it in hot water and make tea. That's how I got my healing from rheumatoid arthritis. So I'm gonna pick some now and put in this bag.
I finally put on the music, so I get my mood on. I'm gonna lock the gate. It's 8:24. I have to be by Teachers Credit Union for 9:30, and I am leaving Twin City. So you'll see how the timing go and everything. Watch this, it's pretty, eh? Watch this, eh? Watch this. Look at this pretty flower. Anyway, I'm stop playing the ass. You see why Black Widows be late? You see why Brianna does books, man? Oh God, it's not that kind of wet I want to get. No, don't study me. I don't want no kind of wet at all. Unless it's beach or river. Or rain, huh? It didn't rain. Right, I'll go back in the car now. Oh, I ain't saying my kid just now.
Because of the music and copyright, I'll be speeding up from here, right?
And I have a jacket in case I feel cold. I colored this wig for myself. And, yeah. I read it for myself. Oh God, when I tell you, I can't take driving with mosquitoes because they distract you fly in your eye and thing when you minding your business going on the highway. If you know that's got me upset. So only find the bugger. That is it. And I have a mother neck. Just now, they're giving me a chance to try and fight these mosquitoes and then I'll continue. Hold on. And I fly. A mosquito and I fly. I'm going to that. Go outside. Go outside. Then go open. Now I get dead like a nut. Just now, yeah. I'm feeling the fly, so hopefully he's going around there. But the mosquito, R.I.P. Right? R.I.P. boy, mosquito boy. Shucks. Anyway, oh, they are gone. A bite bag one sing lights. Rainy day. Y'all see it? Yo, I know past prisons, and this is the highway. Cars are parked all the way along the highway, especially on the other side at IRL. Sorry for them who try to cross. But yeah, like you have a big function, but wow, on this day, in this kind of weather, to have to walk from this distance, if like me so who by myself, I ain't have nobody to drop me out and then park. I so will be quiet down here, and Maloney Lights is right about there. Look how far. Wow, but I could have some nice thing in the prisons. Something. Nobody even let me know. Anyway, as I say, Maloney, approaching Maloney. Can I think about it real quick, real quick? Can I think about it real quick, real quick? Can I think about it real quick? Watch this poor visibility. It was worse just now. Look at the visibility. 8:51, and I am approaching Valencia Junction. 8:51. Well, you see the weather. Nobody ain't moving fast. Hey, slow motion. Really slow motion. You see what? The race is not for the swiftest, but those who endure to the end are enduring. How am a Christmas check? Dividends. We reached the roundabout by Valencia here. In Valencia, that's the lighthouse, one of the landmarks. I don't know what this car doing, not knowing the rules of a roundabout. All people on the roundabout have the right of way, bam bam. Shut. I'm gonna stop there. No, my mouth are trying to change. If you know what I wanted to say, but I'm gonna say, I'm watching my gas too. But we'll see about that when God bless me with the check in my hand. As if I could get the money instantly, yeah. Can I think about it real quick, real quick? Can I think about it real quick? Particularly on the outskirts of Grandy, you could say, yeah, in Grandy. On the back road. I don't know the name of the road, to ask me. It's 9:04 and I'm nearly there. I've got dumps like a truck. No, I ain't got no dumps on my Bamsi. Dad used to say I don't have Bamsi, I have lower back. But I still living la vida loca though. I love my black ass, I love my flat Bamsi, my little breasts, my everything, I love it. Love yourself. So you want me? If I love me, you will love me. Baby, my daughter. Now, as I say, I'm going to the Teachers Credit Union in Grandy. Yay! Christmas time. So I'm now on Ramutar Street and I'm going straight down to where you see a little peak of the, I think it's a mosque, temple. Yeah, when I reach down there, I will make a right. I'm proud of myself. It's 11 minutes past 9 and I am in front of the building while I'm parked up in the car park. Just making sure. I don't know why I parked in as if I sweat. I could check my yampy. All I need from my baby, something steady. Smooth, she's a 5-star lady. Body physically sexy. Oh, but the rain come back down. At least I'm and then they say I'm a ribbon, yeah. I'm my umbrella. Thank God to Bibi again who bought an umbrella for me, but I'll try and show you all the credit union. And thank God I bring my jacket because inside that credit union is me cool. I wonder if they're ready for my boy. They tell me 9:30, but my pee mightn't wait till 9:30, and I am not peeing inside here. In the car, I'm a pick up a mean. I don't mind peeing inside, and then kill inside. You know, that's a good idea. I will go inside, pee, kill some time while peeing, washing my hand and thing. And then I'll, I guess hang around down there in the shelter area until 9:30. How long I have again? It's 9:12. Let's see how much time I can kill. And my drama could I kill some time by getting my documents in there. Yeah. I find so too, finding my little pay slip and thing, yeah, my ID and thing, Fine, I could have had that in a gear one time as it raining and thing, you know. Make life easy. I've got my ID. I do like them thing, you know. Okay, I find my ID. Ooh, the Bamsi start to clap their chest now. Like when you get new wallet, them thing that's happening. But look how I really end up killing some time now, because I can't find my... I'll find my payslip. And then I'll get the most recent. We are in the month of July. January, February, March, April. Right, I have April. I think April should be good enough. April, May, June, July. Yeah, that should be still relevant. So I'm gonna go back this one. Look at the rain thing now. I'll show you. Then ready to leave now. I have on my jacket. I'm fight up with opening my umbrella. I'm ready to leave and I'm cut off the car. Right, so I'm the key. Cut off my music box. Right, so I cut off my music box. Right, because it's only no training to play music in public art, so I have training. Trying to find the area for my phone. Right, so why this car light don't on? I never open the thing. Look at it open. Right, so I secure myself. And the keys to lock up, I'm organized to open. That's all this drama. To me, time it takes to open the umbrella, you get more wet than anything else. Let's try this thing. Well, let me not talk too soon. Let me talk too soon. See before I come out with the credit union, right? And you see the rain. And you see my umbrella, right? I'm looking to come out now. And there's the main road. I'm here, but I'm here like 10 minutes. And the poor people who help me in the system, they're looking for my check and they can't find it anywhere. There's such to be some flipping issue with me, they can't find my check. So I might have to go downstairs and do the work first. I didn't get through, so I'm now downstairs, going to the front area, downstairs area, the main credit union, to run an easy bathroom, and then to go and start the whole process again. I just want to show you love, you just want to show me up, I just want to show you love. Sign up everything I'm going to ask me if I'll be it, no? Ooh, can we think about it real quick? One day I don't have to tell you how amazing this soap smells, and it matches with me. This soap. As a child, I used out oil for smelling nice. I might just think I'm making it out kind of thing. But go next thing they call it my name. Okay? If I run, I'll look unprofessional. Alright, I'll walk. But I've finished, finally. I'll let you know the time. No, I didn't lock my car. Oh God, teachers no thief. You know, chewing gum falls from me earlier and I'll see a day by the 10-second rule and pass. 10-second rule and pass. I'm in the car. I get through kind of way, but you don't know I only get through part way. Because now I have to fly up. Oh God, why not even a little bit? Oh God. Yeah, I have to fly up Arima. And deposit the check and see if I get some kind of something to eat before I collapse. I should get something to eat before going on. But where I go and get something to eat, and then when I go and get something to eat, that's time going and I'm tired now. I want to go now. So, and I'm gonna take off this jacket. I know what I'm cooking. I'll put it back on and oh God, it's hot. I'll put it back on and I'll reach in the people public zone again if it's thing. Alright, so I have my plant here. Oh God, and my phone nearly dead. So as I bring my charger, here, look at the contraptions. I put my phone to charge, and I'll check you all back later when we have any developments arising. I don't know why I keep watching it when we have any developments arising. The only development in the get inside there's one gas pump there, but thank God. 11:05. A small mini guava and a banana for the day. And I can't find nothing, nowhere selling anything to eat yet. As I tell you, I no leave Gandhi. Teachers Credit Union, and yeah, I'm supposed to be heading to Arima now to continue my business buying and tea. It's 11:54. Brianna's lunch, my beautiful daughter, is at 11. So I just spoke for the hour with Brianna on the phone, and I'm on Pinto Road now. I'm on Pinto Road by the roti place. Love this roti bag. So I'll go and see if I get one, because I'm hungry today. Yeah, the time I tell you. Gas all how, and that goes bad direct. Gassy pop direct. And the next mother, Miss Maureen, so I'm going to carry the plant for she and the Susumba, right? And love is love, love and connection is something else. She behind there. I don't want to show too much business. When I called her just now to see if she was home, she told me she was to call me today. I love. Anyway, I'm going. I didn't mention that Miss Maureen is right across the road from by the schools, right? So I am going now. You can see somebody trying to go on the lunch. Not my black ass. Make me go in there. Hey, I'll wave and love a pampa. Let me look to go, man. Oh, you're 22, not my black ass. What I want to do, I am old. What I want to mandle you. I am going home to eat my toti and rest. At a hard ass day. When I say hard, I'm referring to hard in, oh God, look how much message I have to check on the phone as I'm talking and seeing them. Hard in emotionally stressful, bellily stressful, meaning hungry. You know, and pili stressful. I want to be bad. But anyway, I'm heading home. Once I reach my yard, it could come down. Calm down. would be showing you around Santa Rosa. I see you come on picture. Right, so you're going to see a little bit of Santa Rosa. Forget the beeping upon my seatbelt just now, right? So you're coming out here, right? See? I am turning out. Every time I look for a judgment name of a road to show y'all, there is no name. So we, alright, I seen something here. So I am coming out of Passion Fruit Drive, and yeah, heading my way. You see here? I'll slow down. You see here? By Polo's Grill. What about showing you? Real good. Real good. And this is my misstopping all in all trailer roads. This is the Pinto Police Post, our Pinto Road Police Station is here. And we need them plenty for our students. You know, when you're a boy children going to maturity and thing and whatnot, now you know individuals, different characters, I mean, I'm stop on in my mouth. I'm on the road. It's 12:14 as I tell you all. I'm heading home. We opposite Best Street where my crush working. Anyway, and still on the highway. See now? Wow, what function, boy? Wait, look at that. The vehicles. Steady now. Wait. I've been reached by the prison entrance itself. I'll try and peep. I think I'm reaching it. Let's now. Try and get it for you. Hold on. Look. Try and look good. Look fast. On the highway, man. Look good. See? And then still. What's in front? Wow. There's the lights. We approaching the lights here by Bagwan Singh. Wow. Look at vehicles still. Some people just to kill. I, however, look into turning this one, boy. Saying to turn this one or the one closer to Twin City. Okay, I'll turn this one. That's still all here. The light changed now. This Bagwan Singh's light here, but all who know this light know is about 3 cars, 4 cars for the Moses get to pass. Well, the judgment big truck that was at the head of the line, because he was making a U-turn on the highway, he took that little time that we would have gotten to turn, so we're still here by the lights and we had to wait for the whole next cycle again. Yes, I'm smiling because I'm on my final stretch on the beach. So you know what time it is now? Why are you watching on there? You know what time it is now? Let me make sure I'm sticking. I'll keep holding here just to make sure I stick up here while trying to turn. So let's see why I stick. And nobody will say some shit I was doing. I was turning to go in my yard. Alright, I ain't stick. But I ain't go up all the way either. They ain't gonna catch me so. Right, I'm cutting off properly. I take my time and watch you, man. No, I'm not telling you bye-bye outside. Mosquito just eat. Stop watching the bed that's still set up in the bag. At this time. Well, I'm happy. Before I say at this time, thanks for watching. I'm happy. I really did set out to get my dividends or whatever. Of course, it wasn't as easy as I thought because half of it was because of my old ass brain and not understanding lingo, certain lingo. I just old, right? And certain things not in my brain. If you have some more cabbage, tomato, types of mango, type of grass, medicine, bush thing, I couldn't say, but other things not really. Yeah, but I got you kinda. I didn't even the check still on me because I couldn't deposit it. Bucket of drop of rain. And I'm going through that plus gas and tiredness, hunger in my backside. I want to pee. You know, all this kind of thing. My daughter told me to bother and to do it tomorrow, please, the Lord. And to come home and eat something and relax because it is now with my next phone. It is now. Let me check. 12:31. More than neck me eye me teeth. 12:31. And I haven't eaten anything, but as I say, a miniature guava must be small, so, and a banana. But thank God my daughter learned to work and is educated and all. I did my best job as I could as a single mommy. You don't need a man to do the job. Single mommy, right? She bringing them food and all them kind of nice things for me later because she got paid. So while I'm smiling so bright and pretty, I just want to tell you thanks for watching. Unexpected, man. Oh God, things always go to plan. I just happy I get to come home. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know when I post. If you like it, press the like button. If you like the videos, press the like button. It'll help the videos to push out further. I know I don't post, like, I don't have no set time to post. Yeah, ADHD bad. And then it takes really long to edit and I do a million other things, as you know. So yeah, so I really appreciate your viewers, sis. Don't know what time it is by you. It's roti time by me. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Then I look to go in my yard. I say good night. And I outside at Judgment. Yeah, I didn't even open the gate. But look, I take off the... I look at my gate. And look to go inside my house. Right? I don't know what time it is by you. Butterfly. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and look at that glare. Good night.